I never shined. It was so hard to believe. I didn't wanna be lost in life. I came out from underneath. I felt the weight of the world crashing down on me. But now I'm looking out, and it's my victory.
Hey now, you listen to the world. You're living in a place that is just like hell. No vape, you're living in a room with lights going on and off every second of your life. This is what just counts, no matter in any amount. With me right here, a man, he like me lost and found. I ain't backing down, cause I have to go really far, far away, from north to the west today. Can you hear me? I was just calling you for help, but there's no one to support me. Well, I guess I'm not getting any help from anyone in this horror show. What the hell? I thought these are humans, but they're worse than animals. Now I have to find a way to make myself comfortable in this hell. Yeah, shit, gotta make a bright road for me, for myself. Put it back down, never ever, no way.
I remember times when I never shine. It was so hard to believe. I didn't wanna be lost in life. I came out from underneath. I felt the weight of the world crashing down on me. But now I'm looking out, and it's my victory.
I was working out for so long, for the moment I'm waiting for in my whole life, which is everything for me. Got something for me, then you should inform me. Come on now, make some space here, cause I need to be there. And the spotlight's rolling all up on my body, posing my face, my smile, my attitude. That was just a matter of time, you'll be cheering for me no time. Let me make you one thing clear, that I ain't no losing this challenge that my life has brought to me. It's a good thing that I respect every nigga here, or I could just break their legs, throw it down in the garbage. Next time, be careful, be sure to not mess with me. It's anytime I can become a fearful. Cut myself in two halves, I don't know where to go.
I remember times when I never shined. It was so hard to believe. I didn't wanna be lost in life. I came out from underneath. I felt the weight of the world crashing down on me. But now I'm looking out,
yeah,
and it's my victory.
Now it is the time when you will be around me. Watch me, be ready to see me, rocking you all, calling your names one by one, playing a game. Oh come on now, aren't you saying my dream is came true? I'm number one in this world with a unique personality. It's a fact, not a fiction. I'm burning dictionaries to make a big difference. Not worthy that much, but a lot for me, so I can just go rest on my deathbed. I'm not that bad, just a little bit confused in these times. Cause I'm not an extremist or an FBI cop. Why am I trash talking right here, right now? I ain't a liar, that is for sure, believe me. Please, oh my God, what the hell am I talking about? I'm just really fucking happy that I'm on the top of the world right now.
I remember times when I never shined. It was so hard to believe. I didn't wanna be lost in life. I came out from underneath. I felt the weight of the world crashing down on me. But now I'm looking out, and it's my victory. I remember times when I never shined. It was so hard to believe. I didn't wanna be lost in life. I came out from underneath.